everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day and happy post Valentine's Day. So today, as usual, I headed over to my Walmart to see if I can find any clearance items. And guess what, guys? My particular Walmart, they cleared everything out. And when I say cleared, not customers clear the shelves. Walmart packed everything back up in boxes and are either saving it for next year or sending it away. But at my Walmart, there was absolutely nothing on sale, nothing on clearance in relation to Valentine's Day. As a matter of fact, they cleared the shelves so they can put Easter stuff out. So very, very disappointed. I don't know why they did this because every other Walmart has clearance items. So very disappointed. But I decided to pass by my local Shoppers Drug Mart, and as usual, they had fantastic sales. Other years, their sales were actually better than Walmart sales. So I wanted to share with you what I purchased. So if you're hesitant about going to Shoppers because they tend to be pricey, when they have stuff on clearance, they mean business. Everything is priced to sell. So I didn't pick up a lot of items, but what I did pick up were great priced items. So everything you see here was pretty much $1 for the exception of this huge, massive pillow. So the first thing I purchased was this I'm Hot For You hot sauce. They're little hot sauces to heat up the big night, but I'll be using them for everyday use. So there's a red, a green sauce. I don't actually think it has the names of the different sauces that I see here. And you can see the expiry date is still a good best before June 8th of 2019. And we love hot sauces, so I just picked up that, and it's a cute little, even if for a gift item, well, for the exception that it says I'm hot for you, but anyways, I thought that was super cute. It comes with a little handle, so you can even save it for next year if you wanted to because the expiry date is good, but we're going to be using that. And for $1, really good price. The next thing I purchased was this vanilla bean scented candle. Just the jar itself is so pretty, and it has that copper gold top. And if I could do this with one hand, it is a 1-wick candle, but it's a very large, and on cold, it is a very strong. So, don't know who makes it. Can we see that there? Not sure, but very pretty. And for $1, you cannot beat that. Next, I purchased this mug, and I just love it. First of all, I'm always inclined to purchase anything black and white striped, and with the little red hearts, I thought it was super cute. And the little handle is heart-shaped, and you can easily put your fingers there, and there's some little hearts in there. And let's see what it says here at the bottom. It's a Valentine mug, so it's imported by Shoppers Drug Mart. But that was $1, and I thought that was great. I'm not sure how much these things regularly go for. I do know the cost of the pillow. Okay, so this pillow, I'm not sure if the camera is going to do it any justice, but I'm going back. This thing is massive. Massive. It, like, for a twin size bed, it'd be maybe half of your twin size bed. So what it is, it's just a furry white pillow, and it has this little purple accent, like a metallic-y purple. And I thought this would be so cute for my niece's bed. She has a twin size bed, and just as an accent, and it's huge. Or even if, you know, if she's just laying on the floor like she likes to, this almost fits her entire body. That's how massive this thing is. It's huge. So this was $5, which I thought was a great price. They say that it regularly retailed for $29.99. Not sure, but for $5, you bet I was going to buy it. And it was so cute. Or even if you like to take Instagram photos, even having just this as your background, because it's so huge, and placing your whether you take pictures of makeup or what have you. That is super cute as your backdrop. So that is it. That's what I purchased this Valentine's Day for clearance. Not sure if I'm going to head out to another Walmart. Hope you enjoyed this little video and you too are able to make it out to Shoppers. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you were able to purchase some clearance items. Probably some chocolates. I didn't buy any chocolates this time around. So thank you so much for watching. And like always, I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone.